All right, dear children, welcome back to the class. Today we'll discuss how to draw graph in Cartesian system because many students keep on sending their doubts to me. Okay, whenever those doubts come to me, so I'll be making those videos. So if you have any doubts, you can just comment in the comment section so that I can make videos about that. Otherwise, you can send me personally also. All right, anyway, let us see the doubt question which has been sent, how to draw the graph. The first question is like this. The question is like this: draw the graph of draw the graph of equation draw the graph of equation y is equal to x. It's quite simple, no? Look at this question: draw the graph of y is equal to x. You have to make one table that is like x and y. Now, for example, you have made this table. Minimum how many points are required? You know that minimum 3 points are required. What is the equation given? Y is equal to x, right? For example, if x is equal to 1, then what is the value of y? Y is equal to x is there, no? Then y is also equal to 1. All right. If x is 1 means y is also 1. Correct? Y is equal to x means what is the meaning of this? For example, again y is equal to x is there. Now for example, if x is equal to 2, then how about y? Y is also equal to 2. I hope you are getting it. Y and x both are same value means y is equal to x, it is given, no? If x is equal to 3 means same case y is also equal to 3. X is 1, y is 1. So x is 2, y is 2. X is 3, y is also 3. Alright, so you got this table. Once you have got the table, now it is time for us to draw the graph. Now how to draw the graph? Everybody knows about that. For example, this is a y-axis, correct? So and this is the x-axis, and now I have different points on this y-axis and x-axis. Now let me call this point as 1. This point is like this point is like 1, and this point is like 2, and this is like 3, and this is 4, and this is 5, and this one minus 1, and this one minus 2, and minus 3, and this one 1, 2, 3, and here it is minus 1, minus 2. All right, this is plus y, this is minus y, plus x, minus x. All right, so first point is like 1 comma 1, second is 2 comma 2, and third one is 3 comma 3. Let us plot those points. You know how to plot the points. So 1 comma 1 comes here, no? So look at this x-axis 1 you have to go, y-axis 1 you have to go, so that is 1 comma 1, and 2 comma 2 comes here. All right, then 3 comma 3 comes here, right? 3 comma 3 means this point, right? So everybody knows about that. So this point comes here. Now if you join them, so whatever points are there, if you join them, then you are going to get a straight line. All right, now randomly have chosen these points, that's why they are not on this point. Now if you choose them in the graph, so they will come exactly on this graph, right? So what is the equation of this line? So this is like y is equal to x. That's it. This is quite simple. Now similarly, one more doubt has been sent here, so let me solve that doubt also. That second doubt is like this. So what is that second doubt? That second doubt is draw the graph of 4x plus 3y. 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. So this is also quite simple. Now again make the table. So what is that? X and y. Make this table. Okay. Once you have made this table, so then you are going to have this minimum 3 points. All right. So what is the equation given? That equation is like 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. All right. Now I am going to take one equation. For example, if y is equal to let me take if x is equal to 0, for example. All right, if x is equal to 0 means what this equation becomes? This equation is like 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. Now look at this equation. So it becomes 4 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 24. 4 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 3y is equal to 24. All right, then I am going to have 3y is equal to 24. All right, then I am going to have y is equal to 24 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 8s are. Then I am going to have y is equal to 8. All right, so if x is 0, then what is the value of y? 8. Just substitute that. X is 0, then y is 8. All right, so this is the first point what we have got. Now let us get one more point. So what is that? Again, the given equation is 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. All right, now you take if y is equal to 0, for example. If y is, y is equal to 0 means what I will get? Look at this equation. So it becomes 4x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 24, right? So whichever way you want, you can take it. See, here I have taken x is equal to 0, and you can take y is equal to 0, or if you want, you can take x equal to 1, x equal to 2. As you want, you can take this. All right, dear children, fine. I hope you are getting it. So once you have substituted that, so that becomes 4x plus 0 is equal to 24. Then I am going to get it as 4x is equal to 24. Then x is equal to, what is the value? X is equal to 24 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 6 are. Then I am going to get x is equal to 6. All right. So for y is equal to 0, what is the value of x? 6, right? So y is 0 means x is going to be 6. So we got 2 points. Now let us try to get third point also. You try to get it sensibly. So what is the equation given? This is for the third point. Okay, 4x plus 3y is equal to 24, right? Now you substitute one more value. Any one value you substitute and you try to find out that. For example, if I take what you can take, for example, x is equal to 1, for example. All right, if x is equal to 1 means what will happen? Tell me. 4 into 1 plus 3 into y is equal to 24. Now look at this equation, compare this equation with this. Instead of this x equal to 1, x is x equal to 1 is there, no? So 4 into x, that is 4 into 1, I have substituted this. I hope you understand this what I have written here. Then afterwards 4 into 1 is like 4 plus 3y is equal to 24. Then it becomes 3y is equal to 24 minus 4. Then afterwards it becomes 3y is equal to 20. Then it becomes y is equal to 20 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 6 are 18. Then 2 is the carry. Then 3 6 are. So y is equal to 6.66. It keeps on continuing. You can write only 6.6 also, no issues. So y is equal to 6.6. All right. So x is equal to 1 means y is equal to 6.6. So you just write out that x is equal to 1 means y is 6.6. Okay. Now you plot one graph. So x value 0, 6, 1 we have got, and y value 8, 0, 6.6 we have got. Let us try to draw that graph. So how that graph will come now? For example, this is the y-axis, correct? And afterwards we are going to have this as the x-axis. All right. So here it has to be positive y, this has to be negative y, this has to be negative y, right? So here it is positive x, and here it is negative x, and it has to be 0. Then it has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here it has to be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. All right. So here it has to be, for every 1 centimeter you are taking, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and similarly here also -1, -2, -3, -4. According to the situation, you take this. Now what is the first point? Just check that. What is the first point? Let us have a look at that first point. So what is the first point? 0, 8, right? So where does this 0, 8 comes? Look at this. 0 means on x-axis I am not supposed to move on a positive x also and negative x also. 0, 8 means it comes here. So here is the point, which is 0, 8. All right. Then afterwards I am going to have second point, that is 6, 0. 6, 0 means, you understand, no? 6 means I have to go on x-axis. So here is 6, and y-axis I am not supposed to move above also and below also. So here is 6, 0. All right. Then third point is 1, 6.6. 1, 6.6 means 1 is here, and 6.6 means between 6 and 7 somewhere it comes. So that is like from 6 to 7 there will be 10 lines here, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like that 10 lines will be there. 6.6 means 6th line it is. All right. So here are the 3 points what I have got. Now I am going to join those 3 points. All right. So I have joined those 3 points now. Now randomly I have joined, they are coming like this. Okay. So then afterwards I am going to call this as the graph. What is the name of that graph? The name of the graph is 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. So that is going to be 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. Now whatever points you get on this graph, no, for example, you have so many points, this point, this point. Now I have recognized only first point, then this one second point and third point. Only 3 points we have recognized, but there are so many points, so all these points are going to represent the solutions of the solution for this equation. I hope it is clear. Alright, dear children, thank you very much for watching this video. So whatever doubts you have, you can always send me, and you can comment in the chat section below, and please like the video and share it among your friends, and comment below, and make it sure that you are subscribing to the channel to get the fresh content like this. Alright, thank you very much. Have a good day, and bye bye.